Hi, I'm Helene Goldberg, and I've got a question for you. How much do you know about hypermobility? Not much, a lot, I don't know. I didn't know very much until I attended the Alexander Technique Congress, International Congress in August last year, 2022, in Berlin. And there was a rheumatologist, Dr. Philip Bull from the UK, who gave one of the he was one of the keynote speakers, and he spoke about hypermobility. And I'm sitting there listening to him go through the list of symptoms and experiences and, about the condition, and I'm shocked at how many of the boxes I ticked. So that got me really interested. And I began to learn more about it. And I've done a bunch of sessions, continuing professional development sessions with the Ehlers-Danlos Society here in Australia, which were phenomenal and so eye-opening about the condition and what people experience. And one of the things that I kept noticing at every session that I attended is the extent to which I feel that the Alexander Technique can make a phenomenal difference in terms of a mindful practice, for one, in terms of the developing the ability to become more self-aware in your environment. So, knowing where you are in space and time to avoid things like bumping into things or, just little haphazard things, all the way through to things like, surprisingly, ADHD. Who would have guessed that had to do with hypermobility? And there are a bunch of other conditions that we now know can be linked, not always, but they often can be linked to hypermobility. So why am I talking to you about this now is that I am developing a workshop, particularly to address the issues that people with hypermobility and any of the associated comorbidities such as POTS and various other things, gut health, etc., so that you can begin to explore how the Alexander Technique can make a difference in how you experience life and how you navigate life with these conditions. So my intention is to run this workshop in the beginning half of 2024. It'll be run in Melbourne, in Victoria, and I don't have the location set yet. I've got a couple of ideas, but I don't have that set yet. So if you're interested, you can either PM me here, or you could follow me, and you can check out my website that's at helenegoldberg.com.au. And I'll be posting there as well as on all the social media. So I'm very excited to offer this to you and see what we can discover about it together. See you soon.